Hi, this is a video to kind of help you make sense of subtracting with mixed numbers, and specifically when you kind of have to borrow or regroup, or when the fraction you're subtracting is larger than the one that you're subtracting from. So we've talked about this in class. Now I want to show you a couple ways that we can look at it so we don't always have to have a visual. So I have this first example here, 5 1/5 minus 1 3/5. And again, if we had the visual, which we've done in class, we can take 5 minus 1, get rid of that one right there, no problem. It's when we want to go to take 3/5 away and we realize, oh, there's only 1/5 here. That's where we run into some trouble, and we've got to come up with a way to do that. So let's look at this with the numbers, with the digits, and we'll relate it to the picture here that I have. What did we do in class? Yeah, we took one of these holes and made into fifths. Hey, I did a pretty good job there. So now I have 5/5 right here. I didn't, again, add anything to the picture. I didn't erase anything, take anything away. I just exchanged one of the holes for 5/5. So let's look at what that would look like with the numbers without the picture. We took one of those holes. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like when we have, 72 minus 18, we borrow 1/10 from the 7, cross it off, and leave 6. We have 6/10. And what did we do with that hole? We exchanged it for 5/5. So I want to kind of show you, a little more clearly what's going on here. We have 5/5, and we're adding it to the 1/5 that's already there, and that gives us 6/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And now, I'll just kind of bring the 3/5 over. I don't have to do anything with that. And now I have enough fifths to subtract. So I've got 6/5 minus 3/5. So that is 6 minus 3 is 3. So that's, again, 3/5. And if I see that on the visual, I'll get rid of this one and this one and this one. So I've got 1, 2, 3/5 left to go. And then 4 minus 1. Well, there's 4 holes here, and I get rid of 1. Not that you probably needed to see the visual, but 4 minus 1 is 3. So my total is 3 3/5. Okay, so by taking that idea of borrowing or regrouping or exchanging, whatever word you want to use, we can get the fifth we need, or the sixth we need, or the eighth we need, whatever the fraction is that we're looking for, okay? So let's look at another example here. So now we have 3 1/4, 3 1/4, minus 2 3/4, okay? So, and I've got a visual here, and you can always make a visual, but like we've talked about, sometimes that's hard to do, or it takes a long time to make. So we don't always want to rely on the visual. So, but I can do 3 minus 2, boom, boom, yay. But it's when I go to take 3/4 away, yep, nope, not enough fourths, right? So we've got to come up with a way to get more fourths. Do you remember how we did that? Yeah, we're gonna regroup. We're gonna exchange this one whole. All right, that's gonna leave us with 2. And what are we gonna turn that one whole into? Well, what do we need more of? Fourths. So we're gonna make, oops, that's a little off center, but that's okay. It's a picture. It's not a very specific diagram, right? We're just gonna make it look good enough. So now I have 4/4 that I'm gonna add to this. Oops, sorry about that. One more. Oh, come on, that's okay. So 4/4 I'm gonna add to the 1/4 that was already there. It's right here. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/4. Okay, and again, I'll bring the 3/4 over so that I can subtract them, kind of keep them vertically, keep them stacked up, as you like to say. And now I can see, all right, 5/4 minus 3/4. So I'll get rid of 1, 2, 3, and I'm left with 2. Yeah, 5 minus 3 is 2. We knew that. So that, in this case, is 2/4. And again, 2 whole minus 2 whole. So 1, 2, nothing. And you can put a 0 here if you want. You can leave a blank. It's up to you. But 3 1/4 minus 2 3/4 leaves me with 2/4. And as we practice this, as you practice this, you'll become more confident, more comfortable doing this with just the numbers and not necessarily having to rely on the visual. So I hope that helped. Thanks for watching and good luck.